Hi friends, how do you pronounce these two words? Mirror or mirror? Error or error? In British English, the letter R is not pronounced when it comes at the end of a word. Mirror. Their R is silent. Mirror or error. Error. Whereas the Americans always pronounce R even if it comes at the end of a word. Mirror. Mirror. Error. Error. Curiously enough, even in British English, R is pronounced if it is followed by a vowel sound or if the next word begins with a vowel sound. For example, the mirror hangs on the wall, whereas the mirror is on the wall. Or there's an error in your report. So, in British English, R is not pronounced, whereas in American English, R is always pronounced. Whereas, even in British English, R is pronounced if the next word begins with a vowel sound. Thank you.